In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make some essential oil rollers. So I got these roller bottles here from Amazon. They just come in a pack of 12. So I will have these linked down below. With essential oils, sometimes I also make my own blends like this one, which I just used a different like roller that I also purchased from Amazon. So I will also have these linked down below. These are just like small little rollers where you can make your own blends, because sometimes you just want to make a blend, and there you go. So I'm going to show you guys how to make some rollers, and this is going to be fun. We're not going to use all of these obviously, but these are all the ones that I have because I am big into essential oils. As you guys can see, I also labeled the tops of all of my essential oils just so I know like what I'm picking out, because I put them in a box. So let's get started, guys. So for my first roller bottle here, I'm going to be making this an immunity blend, just for if you have a cold or you're fighting off the flu. You could either put this on your feet, you could put it on the inside of like your wrist, and there's other like points where you could put it on as well. Let's make my roller ball here. To take off the roller, it also came with one of these little tubey thingies, and you just take this and line up the pointy edge here, and you just like lines up, and you could take off the roller top. So there we go. So these bottles also came with like a nice little funnel, so it's gonna be super easy to put stuff into. I'm gonna be doing 6 drops of rosemary essential oil. Alright, I think I actually did 7 by accident, but I meant to do 6. I'm gonna do 5 drops of frankincense. We're gonna do 7 drops of lemon. 2 drops of oregano, and I'm also going to do 15 drops of Thrive. If you don't have Thrive and you have Thieves, you could use Thieves instead of this. So you guys can see I have all my oils in here. It only fills up about to this point, and the rest you want to fill up with a carrier oil. So I'm going to be using this fractionated coconut oil. This is from Amazon. I just purchased it on Amazon, but it had great reviews. And the reason you want fractionated coconut oil, if you are using coconut oil, is so that it doesn't harden when you put it in a roller, because otherwise how are you gonna roll this onto yourself, you know? Just gonna pour some in. Alright, you want to leave some space at the top only because you want to put the roller thing back in. And you just snap that into place, and then you also want some space so that you could shake it up. I do have some stickers that I print and cut. I'm going to end up making 3 immunity, but for this video just 1. A blemish buster and an eye serum. So this one was the immunity one. I'm going to put the sticker on here just so I know like what it is and what it's for. I will cover this with clear tape in a little bit, but for now I just wanted to get this on there so I know what it is. So the next one I'm going to be making is a blemish buster, so you can put this on your pimples at nighttime, and it's supposed to help get rid of pimples. So we're going to open up this top. We're also going to take off that piece, so just snap it in, try to get it under, and then you just lift it up and it'll pop out. I don't know if I mentioned, but I'm using the 10 milliliter roller bottles. For this one, we're going to be using frankincense and lavender. So we're just going to put in 15 drops of each, and then we're going to top it off with my coconut oil. See, and you guys don't even need to use the funnel, but if you guys want to, you can. So we got my frankincense, and now let's do my lavender. Alright, we're going to top this off with my carrier oil. Alright, and then I'm just going to put the top back on. There we go. There's my blemish buster. And the same thing with this one. I'm just going to put on my label. And the last one I'm going to make in today's video is going to be an eye serum. This one is going to be for dark circles under your eyes. So again, I'm starting off with my 10 milliliter roller bottle. I'm gonna need some lemon, some frankincense, lavender again, and then we're also gonna need some vitamin E oil. So starting off, I'm gonna just take this off again. For this one, you're just gonna do 10 drops of each. Now this one, I'm not sure how much vitamin E oil I want to put in just yet. Ideally, if you had like a big bottle, you could totally fill it up with vitamin E oil. I'm just gonna use a dropper. Let's see. I want to try to get it at least to half, and then I'll fill up the rest. So I don't know how many drops that is, but fill it up to half. Alright, and the rest, so you guys can see, I have about halfway up to here. The rest I'm just gonna fill up with the fractionated coconut oil. We're also gonna just snap the top back on. And then we got my eye serum. Again, the last thing I'm gonna do is put on my eye serum label. And there we go, guys. We just made 3 of our own roller bottles that we could use just like on the go or whenever we want to. I hope this video inspired you to make your own essential oil roller bottles or just kind of get into essential oils. They do help a lot. They have so many benefits. I didn't go into detail about it in this video, but I don't know, I talk about it on my Insta stories all the time on like the different benefits of each essential oil that I'm normally using. But trust me, guys, these should work for you. If you give any of these a try, just comment down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you soon.